Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. This is Asif with you people. Today I'm here to give an accolade to the people of Afghanistan, the Pukhtuns, who are Pushtun as such. Hamza Baba, ki aghyar wai to the dozakh jabada, zaba jannata, the Pushtun sarazam. The world acknowledge their ego, their self-esteem, and their valor. Many glittering stars are from that area, and the lovers of their decade, lovers for their motherland, and they die for the sake of their motherland. And they have the 45 tribes, the Pushtun, the brave people on the planet. Number one, the great Bangash, the great Arakzais, the great Karaks, Yusufzais, Maman, Afredis, Achikzais, Wadis, Shiranis, Marwat, Benosis, Adam Khail, Mahmudzai, Miagans, Ali Shirazis, and Saduzais, Kogi Khail, Pahares, Mashwani, and the great Kakars, they also include in that, and Masuzais, and Mandakhils, Bitani, Swatis, Daudzai, Kari Khails, Ali Shirazis, Pari Khails, Guneris, and Miagans, Aka Khail, Mongol, Bajoris, and Katwaris. So, get back, from these people, because they are the gallant and splendid sons of their epic soil. And these valiant sons reckons their size and their mother. They live in the barren hills, are living a tranquil life. They live morally assaulted with big herds, and they have a high turbans, upright stairway in the ear. They share the same language of Pashto. They have a single entity, but they always stand united. Always be aware, they play with the flames for their honors always. And may Allah saves all the Pushtuns from the malevolent eyes, and they have on their Jirga system and counseling, and they have a strength in their heart of La ilaha illallah, and grounded to the dust, and ashes those left down upon them. And may our beautiful Pushtuns people, they dazzles like a sun. And Allah demolish all those who are going to try to ruin the people off, and may they live long. And we have a lot of pray with Pushtun peoples. There are different differences amongst them, like the language and each and everything, but in natural, by God, they love each other. And we here are praying Allah Almighty that may Allah save all Pushtuns and try to give them a peaceful life for everyone. Last but not least, I'm just going to sign out again with the word of Hamza Baba, that the world acknowledge their ego, their self-esteem, and their valor. Many glittering stars are from that area. Pakistan Zindabad, Pushtun Qaum, Pindabad. Love you all. Bye-bye.